Hey, what's up guys? My name is Saurav and this is my YouTube channel Data Science Novice. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, please do like and subscribe. Your efforts are massively appreciated. So in the last video, we solved the problem of overfitting. So a new model is ready to predict the classes of outfit. A side note for the viewers, try to experiment with the number of layers. Try to increase or decrease the convolutional layer and do the same for dense layer. And also try to fine tune the parameter as well. So in this video we are going to predict the classes and we will visualize those classes as well. So first we have to transform the test data because we did the transformation in training data, so we have to make sure the data is in the same format. So let's do that. So first we are converting it to NumPy arrays by calling dot values. And next we divide the test into its feature, that is we are taking out the images, and by calling reshape method we are converting 2D images to a 3D image because that's how our model takes it. Then dividing the data by 255 so as to normalize the data because we know that our model wants it to be normalized. Next we save our target variable into y variable so that in future we can compare with our predictions. So let's run this cell. Next we are going to make prediction using our model, and to do that we just have to call predict classes method. And one thing to note here, if we call only predict method, that will returns the probabilities. So to get the classes you have to call predict class method and then we pass our data or features or image. Now saving the predictions of this model into a prediction variable to compare them with the actual values. So let's do that. So next we are going to see that how our model performed on the unseen data, and to do that we print the classification report for the predictions. So first we import classification reports from metric module. Next we call classification report method and pass our actual values and the predicted value that our model has predicted. So let's run this cell. So here we see that our model is performing quite well on class 1 and class 8, and it is performing worse on class 6. So now it's quite confusing that which outfit is class 1, which outfit is class 8. So now instead of returning classes, we are going to return outfit names so that we know which outfit is getting good prediction and which is not getting a good prediction. And to do that, we just have to set target name equals to outfit name. So let me show you the outfit names which we have saved earlier. So here it is. And now we are going to pass this list in our target and just run this cell. So now we can actually see that which outfit is getting good classification by the model. So we are getting good predictions at trousers and bags, and the model is badly performing when it comes to predicting shirts. So now we are going to visualize, and this time what we are going to do, we are going to put title, and in the title we will have actual predictions and the prediction made by our model. So let's do that. And for that you just have to copy paste the earlier code and we just have to make few changes. So we are going to use f string. So first we are going to pass our model prediction and then we are going to pass actual prediction. So let's run this cell. Okay, so here we see that in title we are getting two things, our actual prediction and the model prediction. So if these two does not match, it means the prediction is wrong. So now what we are going to do next is, instead of returning the class, it will actually return the actual outfit name and the outfit name predicted by our model. And so let's do that. So for this we just have to copy paste the whole code we created, and we have to make some changes in our title. So now this time we are going to use outfit list and index it using the ith prediction by the model and ith actual class. So suppose model predicted 0. So we pass that as an index to the outfit list, and that will return us the outfit name at that index. So let's run this cell. Okay, So here we see that we have our predicted class name and we have original class name. So again, if the class name predicted by our model and the actual class name does not matches, it means our model did not predicted it right. So now we have come to the end of the session. So few tips before we wrap up this. Try to experiment yourself, see what out of the box thing you can do with visualization. Try to play with numbers or layers and fine tune the parameter. In short, try to increase the accuracy of the model. And the most important thing, try to read the other Kagler's notebook. That will help you a lot. So with this, we are come to an end of this project. So if you like this project, please do like and subscribe and share with your friend. And in future, I will be updating more projects. So don't forget to press the bell icon. So see you in the next project. Till then, stay safe. Bye.